So, what happened when I took the exam? So, initially kasi ang ginawa ko is nag-register muna ako sa Chestina Pro Tzizince. So, that's the website para sa permanent residency and citizenship. So, kung magre-register ka ng exam, yun yung website na yun. Doon din, meron silang sample test that I would recommend na gawin nyo para aware kayo kung hanggang saan yung knowledge nyo and as well as para ma-familiarized kayo sa exam. And so, nung nakapag-register na ako, that was 2024, August, pang 1,200 plus na ako. So, ganun na karami. In fact, yung unang check ko, it's like 800 plus lang. But after few months, naging 1,200 na. So, makikita mo kasi yun kung pang ilang ka sa mga examinee. So, ayun. Pagka-register ko, doon na ako nagsimulang mag-aral-aral. But I would say na hindi pa ganun ka-serious because I'm not taking it seriously. But I had very little knowledge naman, kahit papano, ng Czech language because nakapag-aral naman ako ng Czech A1. That's part of the benefit ng previous employer ko.